Hi, in this video, we will discuss about scanner class. So scanner class we'll use for the input functions. So from the keyboard or any file. So we will see how we can use this scanner class in Java. Scanner class is a class to read the input data from the keyboard at runtime. So this class is helpful to read the data from the keyboard at runtime. And this class is available in java.util package. Okay. It is available in java.util package. Using scanner class, we can read the data from the text files also. Not only from the keyboard, from the text files also you can read the data. So here you have different type of methods in scanner class. So we have nextLine. It reads the line of the text from the user, line of text. nextInt reads an int value as input from the user. The same way in nextFloat, nextDouble, nextBoolean, nextByte, nextShort, nextLong, and simple next means it reads the string. There is no next string. Next means it reads the string or word as input from the user. Okay. So by taking one example, we will see all these things. Let me go to Visual Studio Code. So here, scanner is a class. Scanner, and we need to create an object for that. I am creating sc is equals to new scanner. Okay, but here you need to mention inside this this is parameterized constructor in the scanner class. So system.in. So system.out means we will print something on the console. System.in means we are reading some data, means we are reading some input from the keyboard. Okay, so we need to mention system.in. Now I want to read system.out. Just mentioning a hint means what you are reading. Employee name, something like that. I'm reading some employee name. Okay, so employee name. Then it just prints, right? When you execute employee name, you need to type your name. Okay, employee name. So for that, what is the method we'll use? sc.next. It will read the string data, means what is like character sequence. So if it is returning string means we need to store where in the string emp name is equal to sc.next. Now we will print system.out.println employee name. Okay, what is that? emp name. So it will print now. So we can say enter employee name. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I created an object to scanner class, and I'm just giving hint to the user that enter employee name. Now I need to enter. I need to type the employee name from my keyboard. So with the help of this scanner class, what kind of data I am typing, means I'm giving as input string data. So string can be handled with the what method? Is the scanner object dot next method. So next method will return what? String value. So I'm storing in a string and I'm printing the same. Okay, we'll try to execute this and we'll elaborate. Okay, so here Java scanner keyboard demo dot Java. Now you'll get an error. It says that error cannot find symbol scanner. This scanner is available in which package? Java.util. So that you need to import. All right, if you want to use any classes from any package, you need to import those packages. Java.util. Mention star means from the util package, all the classes we can access. Okay, so I imported java.util. Now if I try to run, you see that enter employee name. So I'll mention my name, just Krishna. The moment when you type, you see enter, you see employee name Krishna. So it is taking the information from the keyboard and it is printing on the console or command prompt. Okay, this is how you can pass the information. Okay, so now we will see some other things. So we'll take a sequence of something like this. Let me copy paste. We'll take few more things. So enter employee qualification. Okay, so if it is single word, you can use sc.next, but I want to read a big string, a sentence. So for that, you have read next line. So that is also in the form of string. So you can store in the string. I can mention employee qualification here, EMP qualification. So I'll take the same thing here and I'll print here. Okay. So I'll take one more time, not one more time, 2 to 3 times will take. So here enter employee. So let me put after this, after name, sorry. So I'll take the same thing. Enter employee ID. Okay. So this is in the form of string I want. Sorry, int EMP ID. Okay, int EMP ID. So, but it will read data in the form of what? String. Okay, by default, it will read the data in the form of string. So how can I convert this to integer? So for that, we have wrapper classes, right? We have already discussed integer dot value of typecasting. Okay, I'm typecasting from string to integer. Integer dot, sorry, we don't need this here. So we have what? sc dot nextInt. We have seen all the methods, right? One second. So we have n number of methods, nextInt, nextFloat, whatever data you are reading, you can mention that directly. nextInt. Okay. The same way, sorry, EMP ID, EMP ID. So the same way, I will take one more EMP employee, enter employee salary. Okay, so I'll take this in the form of float. Then this is nextFloat, and this is EMP salary. Then I'll change this one also. So I'll take two more things. So I want to explain how the float and everything will work. Enter employee mobile number. Mobile number will be long, so I'll store in long employee mobile number. This is, sorry, this is not nextLong. If I put somewhere nextLong, nextFloat, nextInt. So I'll take one more last. So enter employee status. Okay, like permanent or not, something like that. We'll mention this as a Boolean, true or false. EMP status. So this is next Boolean. Okay, then employee status, EMP status. Here also employee mobile number. This is employee salary. Right, everything is looks good. Employee name, employee ID, employee qualification, something like that. I have taken multiple things. So we'll try to give all this information and we'll see how it will work. So I'll run. So it will say enter employee qualification. I'll say passed post graduation with first division. Okay, now it is asking, sorry, 1 second. So what I'm doing, the moment when I provided the input, I'm just printing immediately. So I do not want to do like that. So after providing all the information, I want to print at a time. So because of that, whatever I'm printing, system.out.println, I move to end of the end to this program, and I'm just keep entering the data, and I just put a separator here, one line, to see the differentiation. Okay, now, so sorry. So we'll execute the same thing now. Passed post graduation with first division, something like that I'm saying. Okay, enter employee name, enter employee ID 100, employee salary. I given float 50,000, something like 50 pies. Enter employee mobile number. I'll give big number. Enter employee status permanent or not. I'll say true. It's permanent. Now if you see, there is a separator I have put, and employee qualification passed PG with first division, Krishna 100, salary, and employee. So I think I did not change it, seems. Both the times employee salary only. This is employee mobile number. Okay, so that's how you can give different sets of data. Means you can give integer, you can give float, you can give Boolean, whatever you value you want. You have all the methods available in scanner class. According to your requirement, use that, and you can provide the information from the keyboard and you can print. So for that, we'll use scanner class. Scanner SC is called new scanner of system.in, and this is just to print. Without this also you can give, but what information you want to put, user will not understand. Because of that, we are just giving enter employee qualification. That's it. So with the help of this line, it is reading the data. sc.nextLine, sc.next, sc.nextInt. With the help of these things, you can read the data from the keyboard. Okay. So these are all the methods. We have seen almost everything. So what could be the possible interview questions from here? So what is the scanner class in Java? What can be read using scanner class in Java? You can use scanner class to read data from the keyboard and text files. Different methods available in scanner class. How to read a text file using scanner class, we will see in our next video this topic. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you.